and his wife had the good fortune to possess a goose which laid a golden egg every day. It was a miracle that never faded. Every morning there it was in the straw, gleaming, impossible, real. A daily gift that promised them a life free from want. Lucky though they were, patience soon wore thin. They began to think they were not getting rich fast enough. The daily wait felt like a delay rather than a blessing. Surely, they whispered to each other, a bird that lays such treasure must be made of gold clean through. Why wait for one egg when the whole fortune could be theirs? Blinded by this greed, they made their choice. They decided to kill the goose, certain they would find a vast store of precious metal waiting inside. They wanted it all at once, instead of waiting for one small egg at a time. In their haste, they raised their hands against the very source of their wealth. But when they cut it open, the truth was stark and simple. It was just like any other goose. Nothing. No gold, no hidden fortune, only the ordinary flesh of a bird they had foolishly destroyed. Thus, they neither got rich all at once, as they had hoped, nor enjoyed any longer the daily addition to their wealth. By trying to seize everything, they lost the one thing that truly mattered.